Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. A glamorous and eventful opening ceremony marked the start of the Northeast Olympic Games 2022 at Sai Nehu in Meghalaya. Meghalaya government releases scholarship worth Rs 169 crore. Meghalaya government constitutes State Education Commission 4-member committee to make strategic recommendations for ushering in reforms in the education sector. United Democratic Party President Meghalaya rubbishes reports of him contesting from 2 constituencies. And now for the news in detail. The second Northeast Olympic Games 2022 started off with a torch relay on Thursday morning from Golf Link to Sai Nehu. The evening marked the glamorous and grand opening ceremony of the Games at Sai Training Centre, Nehu. About 3,000 participants from all around the Northeast states will be competing in 18 disciplines at 12 venues spread across Shillong. March past, oath-taking and lighting of the flame besides a lineup of artistic acts, including the performance of the Games official anthem play and other artists from the Northeast. Musical performances by Tarari Choir, Pinter Orchestra and Lampang's Aimley and Ensemble. Fireworks display and marked the opening ceremony. The state government has released the pre-matric and post-matric scholarship. Informing this, Education Minister Lakmin Rumbui said that the scholarship amounting to more than Rs 169 crore has been released for the year 2021-2022. The scholarship amount will benefit 61,116 students, asserting that the government was not expecting a delay while wanting to ensure timely release of students' scholarship. The minister said that individual accounts of beneficiaries will start receiving the money through PMFS.
1,678 scholarship to the 61,116 students for the year 2021-22. We are not expecting delay, but the thing is that we are moving in the direction that whatever incentive or whatever right of the student, we should be able to keep in time.
The Meghalaya State Education Commission was approved by the State Cabinet, and yesterday the government formed a 4-member committee. The 4 members include chairperson, secretary and 2 advisors. The committee will advise the state government on matters relating to schools and colleges in terms of systems in place, their institution and salary structures, overall school and college management, functioning and accountability. It will produce a concrete solution and make strategic recommendations for ushering in reforms in the education sector in line with the National Education Policy and the State Education Policy. This also includes management of aided schools and their performance concerning general function and activities. Meanwhile, the State Cabinet passed the ordinance to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021.
One has to move forward so that the Meghalaya State Education Commission has been approved. So we have constituted the Meghalaya State Education Commission today. It will be a 4-member committee with 1 chairperson and 2 advisors and 1 secretary. And basically the mandate is basically to advise the government of Meghalaya on matters relating to schools and colleges in the terms of their systems that are run there, their institutional structures, their salary structures, the overall schools and college management functioning and accountability.
Mairang MLA Medba Lingdo, who is also the president of United Democratic Party, has maintained that it is erroneous to say that he will contest from 2 constituencies, that is Mairang and Moplang. Speaking to reporters, he said that the press should have reached out to him for comments instead of declaring that he will contest from these 2 constituencies. As for having a candidate to contest from Moplang constituency, Lingdo said that the party is in the process to search for a candidate.
web portal ka bedaibat ka jing tumujong amang anile ki atlet khususi Nasoban on bakalong ke bakla ka kubor ka wakin ai ya kumkini sekipai pa. Nasoban on ba kumki ko lat pata ai kubor dala kidan kanu kumki ko akan kili kidan free ban nik tu ya mat kili kan. Mundai ban super menai ka kubor bom dei. Nasoban orang ke bakla.
And awareness rally on women empowerment was organized jointly by the Office of the District Library, Jowai Art and Culture Department and Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation under the aegis of Ministry of Culture, Government of India. The rally was organized to commemorate the 250th birth anniversary of Raja Ram Mohan Roy, the father of modern India. Deputy Commissioner Shri B.S. Solia IAS graced the function as the chief guest and flagged off the awareness rally from the District Library Office. Students and teachers from various schools of Jowai town participated in the rally. The students carried placards with awareness slogans on women empowerment. Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, on Wednesday inaugurated the Rambrai Community and Rural Development Block in the presence of Nongstoin MLA Macmillan Bursat, Rambrai MLA Kimfa S. Marbanyang, Rambrai MDC Bajop Pingrop, DC and SP West Khasi Hills, among others. The Rambrai CNRD block is carved out from the Nongstoin CNRD block of West Khasi Hills. It will cover an area of 584.628 square kilometers. It will comprise 109 villages with a population of 36,148. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister said that the creation of the new block will ensure better governance at the grassroots level. He also said that through the CNRD block, developmental activities will be upscaled and services of the government will be delivered in an efficient manner. This is for the general information that a show cause notice have been issued to Popular Front of India or PFI and its associates, affiliates or fronts.
And its associates or affiliates or fronts. Whereas the central government, in exercise of the powers conferred by subsections 1 and 3 of Section 3 of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967, 37 of 1967, hereinafter referred to as the Act, has declared Popular Front of India, PFI, and its associates or affiliates or fronts, White Notification Number SO 4559E, dated 27 September 2002, published in the Gazette of India, Extraordinary, Part 2, Section 3, Part 2. And whereas, by Gazette Notification Number SO 4758E, dated 6 October 2022, published in the Gazette of India, Extraordinary, Part 2, Section 3. In exercise of powers under subsection 1 of Section 5, read with subsection 1 of Section 4 of the Act, the central government has constituted a tribunal comprising Honorable Mr. Justice Dinesh Kumar Sharma, Judge of High Court of Delhi, for adjudicating as to whether there is sufficient cause for declaring PFI and its associates or affiliates or fronts, including Rehab India Foundation, RIF, Campus Front of India, CFI, All India Imams Council, AIIC, National Confederation of Human Rights Organization, NCHRO, National Women's Front, Junior Front, Empower India Foundation, and Rehab Foundation, Kerala, as unlawful association as required by subsection 1 of Section 4 of the said Act. Now, therefore, a notice is hereby given under subsection 2 of Section 4 of the Act, and you are hereby called upon to show cause within 30 days from the date of service of notice as to why your associations declared as unlawful be not adjudicated to be so, and why an order confirming such declaration be not made under Section 4, Part 3 of the Act. The objections, reply, affidavits, if any, may be filed, delivered before the next date of hearing of the tribunal to the undersigned at his office in chamber number 15, ground floor, A block, Delhi High Court, Sher Shah Road, New Delhi, 110503. In case the objections or reply and the documents are in regional language, true English translation thereof be also attached. You may appear through a duly authorized person before the tribunal on 8th December 2022 at 4 p.m. in courtroom number 24, ground floor, A block, Delhi High Court, Sher Shah Road, New Delhi, 110503 for further proceedings.
And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 21.8 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 10.9 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 94% and in the evening 67%. Forecast a dry weather is likely to occur in most places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. A glamorous and eventful opening ceremony marked the start of the Northeast Olympic Games 2022 at Sai Nehu in Meghalaya. Meghalaya government releases scholarship worth over Rs 169 crore. Meghalaya government constitutes State Education Commission, 4-member committee to make strategic recommendations for ushering in reforms in the education sector. And United Democratic Party President Medba Lingdo rubbishes reports of him contesting from 2 constituencies. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.